Hey guys, this is Brad at Moix, and man, do we have something cool for you today. This is the new Grech Strata, made right here in America, one of the nicest RVs you can put your eyes on. Let's start by just looking how clean this whole coach is on the outside. Beautiful big awning, lights everywhere. This coach has everything you could possibly want on it. Plenty of storage at the back, because with first aid kits, anything you need. Normal RVs, you're used to seeing holes cut here, holes cut here, holes cut here. Everything on a Grech is fully finished out, tucked in out of the way. Driver's cockpit, very easy to maneuver in and out, power seats. They pulled no stops with this one. First thing you notice as you walk in, everything is super plush throughout. All the flooring, no more wood, no more linoleum on the floor. Everything is very nicely finished. Come on in, even stainless steel here. So as you walk in, you've got a convenience center right here at your fingertips. You can control the awnings, the lights. Speaking of lights, look overhead. This is absolutely awesome throughout the coach. This has 4 captain chairs. All 4 will spin around so you can have a table if you want to play cards, eat dinner, or if you're just at the game, need a good place to sit, this is it. Check this out. Back sofa lays down, and so you don't have to do anything else manually. Both sides will extend. Now you have a king-size bed at the back. This unit is loaded with a lithium-ion battery, as well as solar panels, as well as a generator. And something else they did not forget about, a bathroom that even somebody as small as I am can actually use this one. Bath and shower, everything in one. Guys, this is just one of the several that we have in stock. We have more B-Class motorhomes than anybody in the state right now. If you've been thinking about a B-Class, whether you want 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, big, small, large, it doesn't matter. We should have it in stock. And you guys need to come see us. We're here 6 days a week. And one more thing, I cannot believe I almost forgot to tell you guys this, but this has what they call a shade master. With one touch, look at this side. All the way to the back. So with one touch, everything is blacked out. If you want to take a nap in the middle of the day, shut everything down, kill the lights. It's pretty impressive. Everything is done by one finger. So, like I said, guys, this is, and I'm constantly finding things on this that I didn't know that it did, that turns out it does. So, if you get a chance, come see some of this stuff. We'd really appreciate you seeing it. Thank you, guys.